Hello everybody, happy new year. Welcome back to my kitchen and to the first video of 2024. Now if you love one pot meals, then you'll thoroughly enjoy this flavorful and delicious chicken and fusili dish, which is especially amazing because I marinated the chicken first. As always, I've listed the ingredients for you in the description below, and without further ado, let's get started. Alright, to make the marinade, add to a bowl your chicken, paprika, oregano, basil, thyme, lemon pepper, salt, yogurt, and oil. Give it a good mix until the chicken is properly coated. Now cover your bowl with cling film and allow the chicken to marinate in your fridge for at least 30 minutes, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so this is a couple of hours later, and after adding some oil to your skillet and heating it up over medium heat, add your marinated pieces of chicken. We're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, and when the chicken is cooked through, we're going to remove and set aside. Now to the same skillet, add the diced onions and cook stirring frequently for about 5 minutes. Next, add the diced carrots and green bell peppers and cook for 3 minutes. Now go in with your tomato paste, and we're going to cook this for about a minute. And then go in with your tomatoes, cumin, and salt to taste. Give it a good mix and then cover and cook for about 5 minutes. Now add your cooked fusili or any other curly pasta you have, like cotelli, elbow macaroni, fricelli, or cresti di gallo. Hey, Nabisoma. And after gently mixing, add back your cooked chicken, give it one final mix, and your delicious, filling and yet light chicken pasta meal is ready to be plated and enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, and comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until my next one, God bless. Bye!